The first jury originated from clause 39 of the Magna Carta, which states that no man can be imprisoned without legal judgment of his peers. Men of equal status. From 1215, all trials were held in front of a jury of 12 local men. Yep. Hence the courtyard.
Yep.
Walking in history.
Look at that BTC Angels, a pile of chairs.
Oh, they're a bit big for me, TJ.
I wonder who's the chairman of that lot.
Chairman. So what are those all about then, BTC Angel?
The jewellery, I think, TJ.
Ah, the jewellery. What, so you mean like gold, frankincense, myrrh, diamonds?
No.
No. Okay.
I think it's where people sit and discuss stuff.
Oh, the jewellery as in the legal system.
Yes.
Oh, I see. I wonder if that signpost down there, I wonder if that's going to tell us something about the jewellery.
Jurors.
The Jurors by Locke. This is how our justice flowers, and this is how it's won. From or in any other way, a poem by Owen Shears about the jurors. Okay. The first jury originated from clause 39 of the Magna Carta, which states that no man can be imprisoned without legal judgment of his peers. Men of equal status. From 1215, all trials were held in front of a jury of 12 local men.
Yep.
Hence the courtyard.
Yep.
Who decided the verdict. It wasn't until the 20th century in Britain that women were called as jurors. Ah, so the 20th century BC Angels when you could be called as a juror.
Ooh.
Okay. The Jurors was created in 2015 by the British sculptor Locke.
Jurors at Runnymede, by Locke, uses 12 bronze chairs to reflect on the enduring significance of the Magna Carta. The chairs are not a memorial, but rather an invitation to consider the history and continuing relevance of the Magna Carta. Each chair features imagery and symbols representing struggles for freedom, rule of law, and human rights, including representations of Nelson Mandela's prison cell and other historical figures and events.
On there. So let's go and have a sit on there then, team.
Yeah.
Let's go.
So let's go and sit on there and put the world to rights, yeah? Now, are you two going to need help getting up on these chairs?
Oh, I'm not too sure yet. Depends how high they are.
I'll have to turn around and maybe I'll have to bring in the walking in history ladder.
I don't
Or the walking in history stool.
Ah, look at the inscription.
Oh,
look at these,
wow.
Colonel. Look at these.
Look,
Or judge.
that could be Indian.
Yeah, it could be this one. Next one. And this one here, that's like a temple, isn't it? Like an Indian temple.
Yep. Yep.
I guess that's the
When you speak out loud for your freedom.
Ah, yeah. We shall not be moved. That kind of thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. And then here we've got prison,
Or is it
jail,
Yeah.
Jail,
a cell.
a cell?
Yeah, 'cause it's got keys at the bottom.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so you get that wrong, that's where you're going, in the
Yep.
slammer.
Yep.
The descriptions on both sides, amazing. BT Angel, this one? Wow, what is that?
The 12 apostles. Or
1, 2, I think it's 1 and 12, Colonel.
1 and 12, yeah.
Okay, we're not quite sure what that one is, viewers.
That's
Not
both.
sure, I'm going to say,
Immigration,
yeah,
migration.
yeah, migrating, could be, travelling,
Yep.
something like that, yeah.
Yep. Tree of life.
Tree of knowledge,
Yep.
tree of life, tree of knowledge,
Yep.
something like that.
That's a ship.
Yeah, could that be down to the idea of a court being a dock,
Yep.
and then basically you go into,
Yep.
you get salvage basically within the legal system, and it's like you stand in the dock.
Yes.
You kind of I think I'm probably thinking about maritime law maybe.
Yep.
And then the dragon, not quite sure what that's to do with. Could that be to do with some kind of Chinese influence or something? I don't know.
Yeah.
Not quite sure. Not sure what the artist was trying to do. I'm not really read, but we'll put it in the AI.
Yep.
And then this one here, well, so that's a jury, isn't it?
That's the jurors.
All those that say aye.
Yes.
All those that say guilty, off you go.
Yep.
Right, look at these, BT Angel. Look at this.
So
that's like a
house.
It's like a house with like a
River?
like a pond, like a lily pad maybe, I don't know.
Yeah.
Something like that. Is that the White House?
No.
No. Okay.
No.
Fair enough.
Far east,
That one's an easy one. Justice. Scales of justice.
Scales of justice, yes.
So that's basically weighing everything up, yeah?
Yep.
Lovely.
Chinese writing.
I don't know.
It could be Japanese, it could be Chinese.
It's evidently something. We're not sure about that one. Comments below, viewers. This one, Colonel?
I got a feeling this is Arabic. The
The
golden
golden
rule. We go door, our door.
Okay, so comments below for that one, viewers, as well.
Yeah, it's different languages.
Yeah, this one.
Computer.
This one's modern. It's a computer.
Yeah. Yep. Yeah.
Not sure what that one's about.
That's shredding paper.
Yeah.
Shredding paper or shredding something. Yeah.
Clock.
No,
No,
it's
the
a
alarm,
trap.
isn't it?
It's a trap.
Oh, so what's the bells on the bottom? What's the things on the bottom?
That looks like a trap of some description.
I thought it was an alarm.
I thought it was a bell.
Yeah. Okay.
Or a dong.
Comments below, viewers.
Yeah.
This one.
That's writing. It's got writing on it. It says Phyllis Wheatley 1753
Mary
to
Prince.
that's,
Oh.
yeah, Phyllis Wheatley.
Not Mary Queen of Scots.
Okay. Next one.
Yeah, okay.
National League of
The blind.
Blind
March to
March
London.
to London. So there's some
Thank you.
kind of
Revolt.
some kind of personal freedoms and liberties. Yeah.
And there's Braille below 1920. There's Braille.
I don't know what that is.
That sounds like Old English.
Okay, so I think that we should be invited to.
There's one here. Look, we've missed. We
Oh,
can't forget this one.
Okay, Beast Angel. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna.
That looks like a ship. Look, what's sinking?
I'm gonna sit down on
I
this.
would say that looks like the Torrey Canyon.
I'm gonna sit down on this one. Colonel, you sit down on that one.
That
Beast
cave.
Angel, you sit down on that one.
Oh,
Very cold, Beast Angel, isn't it?
cold.
So, are they innocent or guilty?
Innocent.
No, I said BTC Angel Colonel. You can go next.
Okay.
BTC Angel, are they innocent or guilty?
Innocent.
Colonel, are they innocent or guilty?
Innocent.
Well, I'd say you haven't checked all the facts, so you're both wrong. So let's go. Right, so we're going to walk, Colonel. So we're going to walk up to our survivors. This is our last monument, BT Angel.
Let's check out the view from Sky 2.
It says, May dawns and the fields turn to a deep green, so lush birdsong, sweet and melodic, breaks through the hush Hush! Suddenly a flash of glossy sunshine yellow is dancing brightly, bold, elegant, majestic, instantly recognised quite rightfully as it blossoms so proudly from just a single seed, a stunning buttercup on the meadow at Runnymede. And this one says, freedom is doing what you want to do, exploring and learning. Absolutely, that's wonderful.
And
No,
here,
oh, okay.
freedom is to be able to enjoy nature, to be able to swing in the trees any time
Yep.
of the day.
Of the day. And this one turns around and says, freedom means free to move, to speak, to live together. Our basic needs are met. Wow, that's fantastic. Yeah.
Oh.
God, it's tight, isn't it? It says, freedom is power, freedom makes you live better, freedom is choice. I love trees, they can take care of themselves. We have so much to learn from them. They provide food, life and oxygen. And the last one up here, BT Angel. Oh, it's two more. Freedom is a must, but who out there can we trust? While locked away, lost. Deep. Freedom, truly free. Can you achieve real freedom? Freedom has a price.
Ooh, that is so deep. Oh, there's quite a few here.
Runnymede, an area for leisure and also one we must remember to treasure. In 2015 a charter was signed, one that the barons had on their mind, making laws that would affect all our lives, and still to this day rule of law survives. Absolutely. Chipping over. Freedom is being able to express yourself freely about the government and freedom of speech, BT Angel.
Wow, well said. Ooh. Land is for life, for nature, planting, having fun and breathing the air.
And this one? Justice.
Justice is for all.
Entitled to fair trial without false witness.
Ooh.
No.
Poem.
No. Don't be trapped by land. Borders are a creation. Claim what's really yours. Ooh. That's deep, viewers.
Is land where home is
Foreigner.
Forgivener?
Okay. Is land where home is. Foreigner is his homeland. Stranger in his home.
Oh.
There's the last shot for the day from this video. If you enjoyed that video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share.
And kick that bell.
And we will see you in the next one. Big up, big up.
Bye.
Walking in history, step by step. Walking in history, counting our steps.